I'm just saying. I'm telling you that I can get it paid. But if you're gonna make it a little easier for me, then we can talk.
You're killing me. No, you didn't do anything. Really, you did not do anything. I am listening to this plan. If you don't mind, how old are you?
I'm 21.
Okay.
This is a disclaimer for all of the Judge Simpson fanboys, myself included. I love Judge Simpson. He is one of my favorite judges, and I appreciate and adore all of the good work he does for his community. Being one of the few judges that genuinely has a good heart and wants only the best for the citizens of Washington or county. And if I lived in Michigan, I would be proud to have such a kind and passionate judge serving me and my fellow people. With that being said, this here folks is a spade, and I will not call it anything else. Even if it hurts your feelings and would like me to call it something else, I won't. I will call it what it is. Please skip this video if you can't handle the truth. I love Judge Simpson, and I would be nothing but a hypocrite if I didn't take the time to mention that, because he gets the most views on my channel, to be completely honest, and I enjoy covering him so much. But he's a human just like me, and he has weaknesses and flaws, just like me, and you, and everyone else. Women are his weakness, but that does not make him a bad person. Don't be in my comments crying about how I shouldn't be making this video, and blah blah blah. I have another video you might like called, Judge Simpson is an angel amongst mere mortals. I'm the furthest thing from a Judge Simpson hater, and before you criticize me all up in the comments, please go check that one out. Link is in the description.
What tells the case of Peninsula Place versus Destiny Jenkins Jones? Hello.
Hello.
What's your name?
Destiny Jenkins Jones.
All right. I have $2,067.86 last time.
Yes. Yeah. I had $1,200 today for them, and then I just started back working. So next week I'll be able to pay about $600.
Hold on a second.
Oh.
Okay. You have $1,200 today.
Yeah, I can pay them $1,200 today.
You have that in cash?
No, it's on my card.
Okay. So you're going to pay $1,200 today.
Yeah.
And then you said next week?
Yeah. I can pay about $600.
About $600.
Well, I mean, that's what I get paid. So a week now.
All right.
I mean, I can ask my parents for some help. Like, I'm not tripping.
Sounds like my daughter. Okay, let me ask you, young lady.
Yeah.
When can you get this $2,067 paid off? However you get it paid off. I
have a job now. I had to quit my last job, so that's why I got like behind. So I can pay $1,200. What?
I'm just waiting for the plan.
I'm telling you the plan. You don't like my plan. That's what it sounds like.
Did I say I didn't like your plan?
Because I said I could ask my parents for money.
And I said, yeah, that sounds like my daughter. I get it. I know how that works. So will they give you the money?
Yes, they're my parents. I don't know. So after I paid the $1,200 today, where am I left at? Like, what's my left at?
Hang on, they gotta do math. You're at about $867.86.
Oh, my parents giving me $200 plus like the little $600 that I make a week. They could give me more than that. I have two parents, so they can help me. I
get you. I'm listening to everything you're telling me.
No, my dad could pay it, but because I live by myself, I'd rather try to be independent. Do you get what I'm saying? So,
I know. I get what you're trying to do.
Yeah.
Okay. Understand what I'm trying to do. All I'm trying to do is get you paid up before the end of this month.
I can get it paid up. If it's $800 left after today, I can get it paid up.
Okay, so here's what I'm trying to figure out.
Okay.
Can you get that paid up by next Friday? Because then what happens is that means I can do one thing. If you can't, I've got to do something else. Well, that's all I'm trying to do.
What can you do if I can't? Because no. I'm just saying, I'm telling you that I can get it paid. If you're gonna make it a little easier for me, then we can talk.
This is killing me. No, you didn't do anything. Really, you did not do anything. I am listening to this plan. If you don't mind, how old are you?
I'm 21.
Okay. Okay, so what you're giving me is you're giving me a 21-year-old's plan. All right.
What's wrong?
No, this is like talking to my daughter. There's this whole, everything's coming out. I know it makes sense to you. I'm just trying to get it to make sense to me in terms of what I have to do.
Okay.
That's it.
Okay.
I'm not trying to tease you or disrespect you in any way. I'm just saying.
Yeah.
I'm trying to just follow.
Okay.
Okay. So but what you have to do is you have to tell me what you can do and what you can't do. Okay? And what you want to do. And then I can tell you what I can do and try to make this work for you.
Okay, how can you make it work for me? Because I already told you what I can do.
Because it's all about me. Okay. You got $1,200 today. You're going to pay the $1,200.
Yeah.
Okay. What I don't want to do is I don't want to give you a judgment if I can help it.
Okay.
Okay?
That would mean me coming back to court or something?
No. That would mean you'd have something on your record that says you have a judgment. And I don't think you want that.
Yeah, I don't want that.
All right. So you can pay $600 next week, right?
Yes, I can.
Okay. Can you get that? What time's the hearings next week?
2 p.m.
2 p.m. Okay. Can you get that? Can you get that paid to the landlord before 2 p.m. next Friday?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Some people can't. So I'm just asking. I'm not. Okay. So if you get that paid, that's $1,800 of this too. So it'll be about $267 or $270 short.
Yes, and I can get that from my parents. But I'm going to let you finish.
No, you go ahead.
No, I was just telling you because that's what I'm saying. I can pay the $600, that I get paid next week, and then whatever is left, I'll just ask my parents for it because that's not a lot of money.
Okay. All right. So here's what you do.
Okay.
You pay the $1,200 to the landlord today.
Of course.
Then and I'm going to set a hearing time for April 26th.
Do I have to come back in person? I'm sorry, this is my first time in court.
Me too. So we'll get through this.
Okay.
April 26, 2024 at 2 p.m. If you get all of that, all of the balance paid to the landlord, you don't need to be here. But you got to make sure that happened.
Of course.
Okay? Okay. So I'm going to give you that opportunity to pay it off in a week. Okay?
Yes.
We're good?
So much. Yes.
You're welcome. All right. Are you in school?
Yes, I am. They're making it hard for me out here.
Who's making it hard for you? The school?
I'm in Solar Place.
Okay, no, okay. You're in school?
Yeah.
Where?
Eastern Michigan.
Studying what?
Journalism. And listen, a minor in criminal justice.
Wow. Okay.
Okay,
Are you going to try to be a lawyer?
No, I want to be a judge. This is serious.
Oh, so you want my job. I see what's going on here. All right. All right. We may or may not see you next week. Get everything paid, and then you'll be all set.
Of course. And I wouldn't have to come back, right?
You don't, as long as everything's paid, you don't have to come back.
That's
all right?
Yes, that's perfect.
Destiny, thank you.
Thank you so much.
You have a great day.
Have a beautiful day.
That was like talking to my daughter. I don't know what just happened. I have no idea. Court calls the case Peninsula Place versus Jonathan Vernon.
Plaintiff. Checked in.
He's not checked in. You may proceed.
Thank you, Your Honor. The renter in session is
All comments, viewpoints, interpretations, and insights expressed in this video are for education and entertainment purposes. All individuals featured in the video are to be presumed innocent until proven guilty in a court of law. Please do not attempt to contact, locate, or engage with any individuals featured in the video.